What's good, everybody? My name is Bosco from Your House Fitness, and today I'm going to be breaking down to you the foundation of bouncing. So a lot of the times, bouncing seems so simple, but yet it's just so much foot movement. So one thing that we're going to do is we're going to see the ball of our foot, and we're going to stay on it. Our heels never touch the ground. So we're going to keep moving. We're going to keep moving. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Why? Because if we're on the spot, it's so hard for us to move. Even though we're bouncing, it's hard to move. But if I'm moving forward, I can move fast, 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 right? We want to keep in that motion. So in a sparring match, we want to stay moving. 1, 2, forward, step, step, step. 1, 2. When you see an opening, boom, right away. And that right there is the foundation of bouncing. Like and subscribe.